Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all pupils in 6 Bijak. Welcome back to PdPR again, and today we are going to have English lesson. So our learning objectives for today, by the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to 1. Read and understand a text about vandalism. 2. Complete the brace map with the information from the article. 3. Answer comprehension questions. The skill for today's lesson is reading. The topic is vandalism. You can also refer to your textbook on page 35. Actually, we have read this text before in the classroom, but we didn't manage to do the exercise. So, let's read the text again today and then I will help you to complete the exercises. Okay, you can read with me. Awak boleh baca dengan saya. Stop vandalism. Vandalism is the act of destroying other people's property, such as benches, garbage bins, or windows. This also involves graffiti. People who vandalize are called vandal. Vandalism is against the law. It is a crime. According to a recent survey, most vandals are young people from school children to teenagers. They damage property because they are bored, angry, influenced by peers, or taking revenge. Prevention is better than cure. We must take a stand to stop vandalism. You may report it to school authorities, the police, or someone who can take action. Young people should be involved in vandalism prevention efforts. They can work with schools or the community to paint murals on areas that are vulnerable to graffiti. Make it a contest for them. They can also be appointed as young patrols or volunteers to clean up litter and keep an eye on things. The best way to prevent vandalism is to find out how and why it happens and develop a strategy to overcome it. Okay, did you read with me? In the text, okay, there is a word mentioned several times, which is graffiti. So what is graffiti? Graffiti is writing, okay, or drawings on public walls, toilets, or other surfaces. These are examples of graffiti. Okay, they paint pictures, okay, or they write something on the public walls, okay, at the public toilets or other surfaces. Okay, these are the example. You can also Google them by yourself later. Okay, some are really nice to look at, but some are not that nice. But all are still considered as vandalism. Okay, let's do the written activity. Okay, you have these worksheets with you. Exercise A, okay, you have to complete the brace map with the information from the article. Okay, so I think you are familiar with this. We have three things here. The first one is types. Okay, number 2 is reasons. Number 3 is prevention efforts. And then you have to find the answer from this article. For number 1, jenis vandalism, the types of vandalism. Okay, you find the answer from the first paragraph. Okay, 1, destroying other people's property. Okay, merosakkan harta benda orang lain. You can write it here. And then 2 is graffiti. These are the two types of vandalism. Write number 1 and number 2. You write here. Okay, and then number 2, the reasons. Okay, you find the answer from the second paragraph. Okay, they damage property because they are bored, angry, influenced by peers, or taking revenge. There are 4 answers here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just have to choose any 2 and you write here. Okay, pilih mana-mana 2. Ada 4 jawapan dia. Okay, tulis 2 di sini. And then number 3, prevention efforts. Okay, usaha untuk mencegah. 1. Report it to school authorities, the police, or someone who can take action. School authorities means pihak pengurusan sekolah. Okay, so because the answer is very long here, you can just take this one. Okay, take this chunk. Report it to school authorities. You write it here. And number 2, involved in vandalism prevention effort. Okay, means melibatkan diri dalam usaha mencegah vandalism. So these are the answers that you have to fill in this brace map. Okay, take your time, tulis cantik-cantik, lawa-lawa. Okay, ruangannya tak besar, so you just have to write. You will have to write nicely. Don't make your handwritings too big. Okay, and for the second part, exercise B, locate the meanings of the word below in the dictionary. Okay, there are 6 words here. Try to find the answers using your dictionary, or you can also try to Google the meaning. Okay, for this exercise, okay, you can find the meanings in Malay and also in English. And I would like to tell you here, if you find the meanings in Malay and English, you will be rewarded for the extra effort. Okay, siapa yang cuba cari maksud dalam BM dan BI, okay, saya akan bagi hadiah. Nanti naik sekolah, I will give you gift for your extra effort. Okay, jangan menirulah, buat sendiri. Okay, for this part. Okay, kalau nak cari maksud dalam BM saja pun tak apa. But if you try to find the meanings in Malay and English, I will give you gifts. Okay, for your extra effort. Alright, next, the second part of the worksheet. Alright, exercise C, circle the correct answer. Okay, bulatkan jawapan yang betul is either true or false. Okay, you read the statements and then you find the answer from the text. Jawapannya semua ada di sini. Okay, lepas tu tentukan ayat ni betul ke salah. If you think it is right, you circle true. If you think the answer is false, then you circle false. Okay, next. Number 3. Give 2 examples of vandalism. Berikan 2 contoh vandalism. Kita dah jawab soalan ni tadi. 2 jenis vandalism. Okay, first is destroying other people's property. And then the second one is graffiti. How to combine these 2 answers in your sentence? Okay. You write your answer like this. They are what and what. Okay. Question number 4. Why do you think vandals like to damage public properties? Kenapa kamu rasa orang yang buat vandalism ni suka merosakkan harta benda awam? Okay, for this answer you can find it from here. Okay. They damage property because they are bored, angry, influenced by peers, or taking revenge. Okay, how to transfer this answer to here? Okay, you start your sentence with it is because. Okay, then you copy the sentence. Question number 5. In your opinion, what can you do to stop vandalism? Okay, pada pendapat kamu, apa yang kamu boleh buat untuk menghentikan vandalism? Okay, you can find the answer from the 4th paragraphs. Okay, the answers are here. Young patrols or volunteers to clean up litter and keep an eye on things. Okay, yang patrol ni adalah macam orang yang berkawal pada waktu malam. Okay, rela ke kita panggil kat kawasan kejiranan, kampung ataupun taman. Volunteers to clean up litter. Okay, volunteer untuk membersihkan sampah dan juga memantau keadaan sekeliling. Keep an eye on things. So how to transfer this answer here? You start your sentence with I can apply to be young patrols or volunteer to clean up litter and keep an eye on things. So this is how you answer question number 5. The last question, which is question number 6. If you happen to see the act of vandalism in your school, what would you do? Okay, kalau katakan kamu ternampak vandalism berlaku dalam sekolah, apa yang kamu akan lakukan? So your answer should be report it to school authorities, the police, or someone who can take action. Okay, so you can start your answer with I would, okay, report it, blah blah blah, sampai school authorities, ataupun you can also sambung jawapan sampai who can take action. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Thank you for watching this video, and then don't forget to complete your task. Don't forget, I will check your answer, okay, when you come back to school after the school holiday. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you for watching. See you on Thursday. Assalamualaikum.